12.
We are Mat and Angie. We have been road tripping Italy for 4 months, and in the last vlog we began exploring our 10th region, Valle d'Aosta. Today's vlog is all about trying to see this region masterpiece, il Monte Bianco, the highest mountain in Italy. We had a sneaky peek of it yesterday, but we hope to see more of it today. Can we really be this lucky? Good morning, seekers!
Good morning.
It's freezing!
Yeah.
We woke up near Planpincieux. We drove to come here. There's a big parking spot. Seems free, and we're gonna try to leave the car here. Today is another hiking day. Not as long as the Giro di Viso, but still kind of long.
Yeah, maybe also steep, so
We'll see.
we'll see.
Also, we don't have the proper gear we had in Piemonte. We have no walking sticks. We have not the proper backpacks. So we'll see if we can make it. Okay, we are walking. The trekking we are gonna try to hike today, it's a Balconata over Planpincieux, and you should be able to see the Monte Bianco. It's a little bit disappointing because it's a little bit foggy this morning, so I don't know if we'll be able to see anything, but at least we get a workout in.
Yeah, and also enjoy the hike.
We are in the stunning Val Ferret, few kilometers north of Courmayeur. And our aim today is to reach Rifugio Bonatti, a mountain hut facing the so famous Monte Bianco. I don't know why, but I'm already exhausted. We're probably 1 kilometer in this hike, and I'm dying. My legs are so stiff, super heavy. I don't know if it's the backpacks not having the walking sticks, or it's just me who I'm tired. This hike is very popular and touristy because you are surrounded by spectacular views all along your path, and the changing sceneries make everything feel more special. But do not underestimate it. You'll need proper hiking boots and mountain sportswear because you'll be walking for a total of 13 kilometers with a total difference in height of over 1,300 meters. And that's also why some human beings, not really humane, decided to have a donkey bring up this trek their belongings.
Poor donkey.
I don't like this thing.
No, me neither.
Bring your fucking stuff with you. If you cannot do it with your stuff,
Don't
do
do
it. Non ha più voglia. Ha ragione. Non sai che fatica viene. Even though heartbroken, we had to continue on our path. And fortunately, the beautiful landscape and some happy horses made us feel a little bit better. The hike continued to challenge us with the steep climbs, but 2 hours and 30 minutes later we were approaching Rifugio Bonatti.
We are pretty much arrived. Yeah! We are just arrived at Rifugio Bonatti, and it's finally time for a real breakfast.
Enjoying 2 hot teas, some walnuts and prunes with such a spectacular view was so rewarding. But we were still some kind of sad for the clouds covering il Monte Bianco. When you get too focused on a goal, you forget to value the whole picture. And that day was the proper example of such a mistake. Life is too short to only appreciate the ending results. We should seek to find joy even in the process of making. Because sometimes your aim may be unattainable to reach, and that's okay.
Since the track is the same going down, see you in the car. Okay.
The route back was really pretty.
Yeah.
Because
We saw a little bit the top of Monte Bianco, and it was beautiful.
really, really beautiful.
And also,
We saw 2 little mucchine, 1 cow and 1 bull. They were on our path. Super cute.
yeah.
I think they were escaping, but who knows? Okay, now it's definitely time to go eat something because it's 2 p.m.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Rosemary chips are the best. We found a nice picnic area where we are gonna have lunch. Let's go. It looks nice. It's in the middle of trees. It should have toilets too, and tables and chairs to eat and have a picnic. Such a pretty place.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
After a late lunch, it's finally time to drive up to our next destination. So, seekers, see you in another vlog. Bye bye!
Ooh!